EAS deactivator installed under or on the cash counter is designed to help retailers deactivate labels efficiently and effectively. When deactivating the EAS labels, some is with sound and light. The other is not. As an accessory of EAS system, the frequency of deactivator should be same as the EAS system. One power with 2-pad deactivator and integrated deactivator are available in Highlight. Highlight deactivator's advantages as below. First, phase synchronous port makes it compatible with many other AM systems. Second, degaussing height of 8 to 10 cm, complete demagnetization. Third, overcurrent and overvoltage protection makes long service life. Fourth, custom designed high voltage capacitor makes it more safe and reliable.